Hi guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super brief tutorial on how to do a foundationless single crochet row, including instructions on how to change colors. Let's get started. So to start our foundationless single crochet, all we're going to do is take our yarn, make a slip knot, insert our hook, tighten, chain 2, and this is step number 1. Now to start my foundationless single crochet, I'm going to insert my hook through the back bump of my chain 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through just this first loop. Now I've got 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. And that is our first foundationless single crochet. Now to start my second foundationless single crochet, I'm going to insert my hook through the bottom of this stitch. So I'm going to turn it around, insert my hook through these 2 loops at the bottom, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through just this first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our second foundationless single crochet. Now to keep adding single crochets to this row, we're going to keep doing the same thing. So now I'm going to insert my hook through the bottom of this stitch, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to do a couple more of this before I show y'all how I change colors while doing this stitch. Now I've got my next color ready. So I'm just going to start this next foundationless single crochet as normal. Insert my hook through the bottom of the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and now I'm going to grab my next color. I'm going to put my next color and just pin it behind my work, just hold it like that, and I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 with both my colors. Now I've got my new color, so I'm going to keep doing foundationless single crochets with my new color. I'm going to work through the bottom of this previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I'm working with my next color. You might need to pull on the original color to tighten it so that your stitches kind of look seamless. It's hard to make foundationless single crochet color changing look as nice as it would with just a normal row. So now I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to insert my hook through the bottom of this previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and I'm just going to keep going. All right, this is what my finished row looks like, completed. I do find that foundationless single crochet rows look a little rough at the beginning, so don't be shocked if yours does as well. This is the top of my row, this is the side, and this is what the underneath looks like. Though I do find that even though the first row may look a little rough, when you add it to your project, I really don't notice a difference. For example, this project I'm working on right now started with a foundationless single crochet row to include all these color changes. And even though the tension is a little different because I was just learning how to do this stitch for it, I really find that it doesn't really make a difference, and I still think it comes out really clean. That's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If there are any other crochet techniques that you'd like to see me make a tutorial for lefties, just let me know.